ஹாய் விவர்ஸ், வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் நியூஸ் உங்ககிட்ட ஷேர் பண்ண போகிறேன். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் பெல் ஐக்கனையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். குரூப் 1, குரூப் 2, குரூப் 2A, குரூப் 4 எக்ஸாமினேஷன்ஸ்க்கான கொஷின் அண்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் எல்லாம் நம்ம டார்கெட் 190 IAS அகாடமியில் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. அதை அட்டன் பண்ணி யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இந்த வீடியோவுக்கு உண்டான புக் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் ஹார்ட் காப்பியாக வேணும்னா டார்கெட் 190 IAS அகாடமியை கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணி வாங்கிக்கோங்க. வாங்க நம்ம இப்போ வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். கொஷின் நம்பர் 1512 151லிருந்து 154 வரைக்கும் மேக்ஸ் ரிலேட்டட் கொஷின்ஸ். அதில் உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தால் டார்கெட் 190 IAS அகாடமியை கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணி புக்ஸ் மெட்டீரியல்ஸ் வாங்கி கிளியர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கொஷின் நம்பர் 155. மேட்ச் லிஸ்ட் 1 வித் லிஸ்ட் 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the lists. List 1. A. Rajukas. B. Pradesikas. C. Yuktas. D. Dharma Mahamatras. List 2. 1. Religion. 2. Secretaries. 3. Revenue collection and police. 4. District judge. Option A 4, 3, 2, 1. Option B 2, 4, 1, 3. Option C 4, 3, 1, 2. Option D 3, 4, 2, 1. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் என்னன்னு கெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். The answer is option A 4, 3, 2, 1. Rajukas, District Judge. Pradesikas, Revenue Collection and Police. Yuktas, Secretaries. Dharma Mahamatras, Religion. 156th question. Which of the following known as complete fertilizer? Option A, nitrogenous fertilizer. Option B, potash fertilizer. Option C, NPK fertilizer. Option D, NB fertilizer. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் என்னன்னு கெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். The answer is option C, NPK fertilizer. 157th question. Dash is called Buckminster fullerens. Option A, diamond. Option B, graphite. Option C, C60. Option D, coal. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் என்னன்னு கெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். The answer is option C, C60. 158th question. Which of the following is halide ore? Option A, dolomite. Option B, rock salt. Option C, bauxite. Option D, galena. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் என்னன்னு கெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். The answer is option B, rock salt. 159th question. The major component of natural gas is option A, ethane. Option B, methane. Option C, butane. Option D, propane. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் என்னன்னு கெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். The answer is option B, methane. 160th question. What is the literacy rate of female population in India in the year 2011? Option A, 65.5%. Option B, 75.3%. Option C, 82.1%. Option D, 64.5%. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் என்னன்னு கெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். The answer is option A, 65.5%. 161 question. Foreign aid can perform the following gap filling functions in UDCs? 1. Savings gap. 2. Foreign exchange gap. 3. Technological and management gap. 4. Natural resource gap. Option A 2 and 3. Option B 1, 2 and 3. Option C 1 and 2. Option D 2 only. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option B 1, 2 and 3. Saving gap. 2. Foreign exchange gap. 3. Technological and management gap. 162th question. The growth of which one of the following remains an important objectives and necessary condition for inclusive growth? Option A agriculture and allied sectors. Option B industrial sector. Option C service sectors. Option D external sector. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option A agriculture and allied sectors. 163rd question. Dunkel proposal was related to? Option A GATT. Option B UNO. Option C IMF. Option D IB or D. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option A GATT. Got. 164th question. Consider the following statements. 1. India is a major energy producer. 2. India is a major energy consumer. 3. India faced power shortage since 1950 to 1951. Which is the correct answer? Option A 1 only. Option B 2 only. Option C 1 and 2 only. Option D 1, 2 and 3. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option D 1, 2 and 3. 1. India is a major energy producer. 2. India is a major energy consumer. 3. India faced power shortage since 1950 to 1951. 165th question. Consider the following statement. Statement 1. Gross national product will always be more than the GDP. Statement 2. To get GNP, net factor income from abroad is added to GDP. Find the correct answer. Option A. Both statements are individually true and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Option B. Both the statements are individually true but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. Option C. Statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Option D. Statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option D. Statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. 166th question. Consider the following statement. Assertion. Price policy aims at controlling fiscal deficit. Reason. Fiscal deficit leads to inflationary pressure. Which is correct answer? Option A. A is correct but R is wrong. Option B. A is wrong but R is correct. Option C. Both A and R are wrong. Option D. A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option D. Assertion and reason are correct and the reason is correct explanation of assertion. 167th question. Who was the chief guest at the 45th Independence Day celebration of maturities? Option A, Mr. Najib Migadi. Option B, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee. Option C, Shinzo Abe. Option D, Mr. Gabriel Costa. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். The answer is option B, Mr. Pranab Mukherjee. 168th question. Who is the winner of 2013 Pritzker Architecture Prize? Option A, Toyo Ito. Option B, Jessica Ennis. Option C, Seth MacFarlane. Option D, Simon Hayes. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். The answer is Toyo Ito. 169th question. The world's oldest lady, Koto Okubo, belongs to which country? Option A, Japan. Option C, China. Option B, China. Option C, England. Option D, Russia. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். The answer is option A, Japan. 170th question. Match the following awards with the respective fields. A, Borlaug Award. B, Nehru Literary Award. C, Santi Swarab Bhatnagar Award. D, Hari Om Ashram Award. 1, Science. 2, Adult Education. 3, Agriculture. 4, Various Facilities. Eminent Teachers. Option A, 3214. Option B, 2341. Option C, 4132. Option D, 2143. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். The answer is option A, 3214. Borlaug Award, Agriculture. Nehru Literary Award, Adult Education. Santi Swarab Bhatnagar Award, Science. Hari Om Ashram Award, Various Facilities. Eminent Teachers. 171th question. Which of the following is not correct about IRNSS 1B satellite? Option A, it is a navigation satellite. Option B, lifted off and placed in orbit by PSLV C-23. Option C, has civil and defense applications. Option D, lifted off from Sriharikota. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். The answer is option B, lifted off and placed in orbit by PSLV C-23. 72th question. Which of the following states do not have tiger reserves in India? Option A, Kerala. Option B, West Bengal. Option C, Uttarakhand. Option D, Jammu and Kashmir. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். The answer is option D, Jammu and Kashmir. 73rd question. Transgenders were granted the status of third gender by the Supreme Court on option A, 20th March 2014. Option B, April 15, 2014. Option C, June 15, 2014. Option D, January 20, 2014. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் என்னன்னு கெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். The answer is option B, April 15, 2014. 174th question. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Indian scientist, field of work research. Indian scientist. A. C.K.N. Patel. B. McNaught Saha. C. Benjamin Parley Paul. D. Arthur Sings Paintal. Field of work research. A. Photonics and laser. B. Astrophysics. C. Disease resistant varieties of wheat. D. Cosmology and relativity. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் என்னன்னு கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is D. Arthur Sing Paintal. Cosmology and relativity. 175 question. Which is the national sanctuary park that houses pygmy hog, a critically endangered species? Option A. Gir. Option B. Kaziranga. Option C. Manas. Option D. Periyar. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option C. Manas. 176th question. Name the proposed new district of West Bengal state in 2014. Option A. Nalhati. Option B. Alipurduar. Option C. Silda. Option D. Adra. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option B. Alipurduar. 177th question. Name the Indian origin girl who was honored as champion of change in 2014 for their exemplary leadership in White House. Option A. Esther U. Hisley. Option B. Diana Elvira Torres. Option C. Pradista Hanna. Option D. Anahi Mendoza. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is Pradista Hanna. 178th question. Which glacial mountain region was named after Indian origin scientist Sinha of USA? Option A. Southeastern Antarctic. Option B. Northwest Arctic. Option C. Himalayan peak region. Option D. Northeast Alps. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option A. Southeastern Antarctic. 179th question. Which is incorrect pair in the following regarding Indian tribes? Option A. Bodo, Assam. Option B. Gond, Odisha. Option C. Munda, Bihar. Option D. Angami, Arunachal Pradesh. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option D. Angami, Arunachal Pradesh. 180th question. Which of the following is not true about Right Livelihood Award? Option A. The award was established in 1980. Option B. It is usually shared by your persons. Option C. It is known as Alternative Nobel Prize. Option D. Presented annually in Brazil. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option D. Presented annually in Brazil. 181th question. Match the following. A. Rhinoceros. B. Hangul. C. Gharial. D. Great Indian Bustard. 1. Desert Plains of Rajasthan. 2. Haziranga National Park. 3. Gormara National Park. 4. Dachingam National Park. Option A 1342, option B 4213, option C 3124, option D 2431. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option D 2431. Rhinoceros, Kaziranga National Park, Hangal Dacium National Park, Gazriel Gorumara National Park, Great Indian Bustard, Desert Plains of Rajasthan. 182th question. IRV 2020 project is related to option A wind energy project, option B solar energy project, option C rhinoceros conservation project, option D Ganga river purification project. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option C rhinoceros conservation project. 183 question. GM genetically modified potatoes developed by British scientists is resistant to which disease? Option A black dot, option B late blight, option C pink rot, option D potato spindle tuber. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர்னு கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option B late blight. 184th question. Which are the countries participated in the bilateral air exercise named Garuda V conducted in Jodhpur, India? Option A India and France, option B India and Russia, option C India and America, option D India and Singapore. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option A India and France. 185th question. Graphene is used for manufacturing bendable smartphones. What is the other field for which it can be used? Option A medical radiation therapy, option B super lenses, option C quantum computers, option D ultimate water purifier. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option D ultimate water purifier. 186th question. Which World Heritage Monument of India was affected in the storm of May 30, 2014? Option A Taj Mahal, option B Humayun Tomb, option C Tomb of Safdarjung, option D Sultan Razia's tomb. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option B Humayun's tomb. 187th question. Which of the following disease is not caused by bacteria? Option A malaria, option B cholera, option C tetanus, option D dengue. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option D dengue. 188th question. Which is or correct concerning the Administrative Tribunals Act? 1. It was passed in the year 1985. 2. The act includes both the central administrative tribunals and the state administrative tribunals. Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option C both 1 and 2. 1. It was passed in the year 1985. 2. The act includes both the central administrative tribunals and the state administrative tribunals. 189th question. Who decides whether a bill is a money bill or not? Option A, Speaker. Option B, the Finance Minister. Option C, Finance Secretary. Option D, Leader of the Opposition. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option A, Speaker. 190th question. Which of the following is are stated in the Constitution of India? 1. The President shall not be a member of either Houses of Parliament. 2. The Parliament shall consist of the President and 2 Houses. Choose the correct answer from the course given below. Course. Option A, neither 1 nor 2. Option B, both 1 and 2. Option C, 1 alone. Option D, 2 alone. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option B, both 1 and 2. 1. The President shall not be a member of either Houses of Parliament. 2. The Parliament shall consist of the President and 2 Houses. 191th question. Who among the following became the Prime Minister of India without being earlier the Chief Minister of the state? 1. Morarji Desai. 2. Charan Singh. 3. VP Singh. 4. Chandrasekhar. Select the correct answer from the quotes given below. Quotes. Option A, 1, 2 and 4. Option B, 1, 2 and 3. Option C, 2 only. Option D, 4 only. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option D, 4 only. Chandrasekhar. 192th question. The chairman of the Official Language Commission in 1955 was option A, Gobind Balla Pant. Option B, B.G. Kher. Option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option D, Santanam. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option B, B.G. Kher. 193 question. The National Commission for Reviewing the Working of Constitution was headed by M.N. Venkatachalaya was set up by the central government in option A, 2000, option B, 2001, option C, 2002, option D, 2003. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option A, 2000. 194th question. Which article consists of the provisions relating to composition and its power and functions of the Election Commission of India? Option A, Article 324. Option B, Article 356. Option C, Article 370. Option D, Article 243. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option A, Article 324. 195 question. Which of the statements given below is or correct? 1. The State Election Commission supervises and conducts the election of panchayats and municipalities in the state. 2. It also supervises and conducts the election of the state assemblies and the Lok Sabha. Option A, 1 only. Option B, 2 only. Option C, 1 and 2. Option D, none of the above. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option A, One only. 1. The State Election Commission supervises and conducts the election of panchayats and municipalities in the state. 196th question. Consider the following statements. 73rd Amendment of the Constitution has provided constitution sanction for 1. Building a 3-tier structure of Panchayat Raj. 2. Reservation of seats for women. 3. Withdrawal of the right of government to hold elections to the Panchayats. 4. Taking away the right of states government to give grants to the Panchayat. Which of these statements are correct? Option A 1 and 2, option B 1, 2 and 3, option C 2, 3 and 4, option D 1 and 4. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option A 1 and 2. 1. Building a 3-tier structure of Panchayat Raj. 2. Reservation of seats for women. 197th question. In which year the Lokpal Bill was not introduced in the Parliament? Option A 1968, option B 1971, option C 1985, option D 1978. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர்னு கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option D 1978. 198th question. Which of the following institutions have been set up by Government of India to check misconduct, malpractices, corruptions and misdemeanor on the part of public servants? 1. Central Vigilance Commission. 2. Lokpal. 3. Special Police Establishment. 4. Central Bureau of Investigation. Choose the correct answer by using the codes given below. Option A 2 and 3, option B 1 and 4, option C 3 and 4, option D 1, 3 and 4. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் and guess பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option D 1, 3 and 4. 1. Central Vigilance Commission. 3. Special Police Establishment. 4. Central Bureau of Investigation. 199th question. Which one of the following action amounts to violence against women? 1. Physical assault. 2. Creating hostile atmosphere at work home. 3. Teasing. 4. Making humiliating, displeasing remark. Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 1, 2 and 3 only, option C 1, 2 and 4 only, option D 2, 3 and 4 only. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் and guess பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option C 1, 2 and 4 only. 1. Physical assault. 2. Creating hostile atmosphere at work home. 4. Making humiliating, displeasing remark. 200th question. Which one of the following is or wrongly matched? A. 21st Feb 1947. B. 15th October 1949. C. 26th November 1950. D. 24th Jan 1950. 1. Submission of the report by the drafting committee to the Constitution Assembly. 2. Acceptance of the proposal of the drafting committee. 3. Members of the Constituent Assembly appended their signature. 4. The Constitution was adopted. Option A both A and C are wrong. Option B both A and D are wrong. Option C both B and C are wrong. Option D both C and D are wrong. 10 seconds time எடுத்து ஆன்சர் நான் கெஸ் பண்ணுங்க. The answer is option D. Both C and D are wrong. C. 26th November 1950. Members of the Constitution Assembly appended their signature. D. 24th Jan 1950. The Constitution was adopted. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தால் நம்ம சேனலை லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் பெல் ஐக்கனையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.